Another question we get quite asked a lot is how to verify Google My Business in a spammy category. We can assume spammy categories are categories like locksmiths, categories like digital marketing agencies, category like virtual offices. So in this case, the best thing to do is to be as authentic as possible. So you should use a proper address. You should use the proper verification methods, say physical verification where you go with the live video feed. You should also build your authenticity. That is, use a real website with real content, use a real address that can be found on Google, use real information, whether it be actual, it should be an actual business. So it helps to build your authenticity. Another thing is if all of these fail, you can definitely reach out to Google experts for help and for insights. So if you have any other question, you can definitely ask. We'd love to answer you. Don't forget to subscribe to G Tech. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.